Here I'm using the Pendulum floor slip resistance testing device to test the slip resistance of a rather slippery epoxy floor in a kitchen at a school district in San Diego. The Pendulum floor slip resistance tester is specified in ASTM E303 and the American Floor Safety Alliance's FS101. The Pendulum tester has been in use for over 50 years and does a really good job, according to over 50 nations, of assessing the real slip potential of a floor.